Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Tipcoin. This is a very interesting project, controversial too. This is a social network experiment that they call themselves, and you can tweet, comment and like tweets, and you can get points. Those points are going to be translated into free tokens for this project. So you don't need to pay anything, you just need to interact, and you are already doing it in Twitter, so you just need to add a couple of things to your tweet and you are going to be earning tokens for each epoch on this project. Like always, we are going to check everything about this, everything that is available. I'm going to give you my warnings on this project, and we are going to cover how to create your account and start interacting in Tipcoin. So if you want free tokens, which are possible money in the future, then this is a video for you. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this project is really interesting and controversial at the same time. This is Tipcoin. They call themselves the future of social interaction. They call themselves a social experiment, and this is very directly to the point. There's not much thing to do about this project. You just need to use Twitter or X, earn points, and those points will be tip tokens for the next epoch that you are applying right now. And the only way to get these points is you need to make sure to mention Tipcoin ETH and tip in your tweets. This project launched the 1st of September and they have almost 100,000, almost 5 days after that. So this is growing exponentially. I see crazy people applying to this project, applying to get these tokens. So I thought it will be interesting to cover this project, but I will give you my warnings, of course. So this is very important. So keep watching until we get into the warnings part. But first I'm going to show you how this works. The website is thetipcoin.io, and this is how you get points. Replying or tweet or out mentioning Tipcoin ETH and tip, and you will automatically be awarded with points. Depending on the type of tip, your multiplier will change as follow. If it's original tweet, you will get a 25x point multiplier. If you are tipped reply, it's 1x point multiplier. Reply kickbacks is 1/10 points per tip. And here you have like a spec point calculator where you can play around with this. If you are doing an original tweet, how many points you can get. And the process is very simple. They started the 1st of September, so it's almost 5 days already since they launched it. So to earn points, you send the tweets mentioning us. You can see what I already explained. During the epoch to earn points and compete with friends. The points calculations is as follow. They add up all of your mentions and continuously recalculated engagement to update your points. Then the token calculation. We determine your percentage of the epoch's token allotment using points and account status. And then you earn your tokens. You can claim your percentage of the previous epoch's tokens from the dashboard in the next epoch. If you are participating in the current epoch and you start right now after seeing my video, you are going to get your tokens on the next epoch. You will be able to claim them. Up here you have the stats section. You can see this is epoch 1. Where it goes 1 week from 1st of September to the 8th of September. You can see epoch mentions, epoch points, time remaining. And here you have the ranking list of the people with each epoch mentions and the epoch points. So here you can see if you are one of the top of the list, you can get into the stats and see that. So in order to participate on that, first you need to click here on login to claim. So you will need to connect your account. This is basically connect your Twitter account. So authorize the application to use your Twitter account. And to activate your account, you need to send our activation tweet and share our configuration post using the buttons below. If you have already sent it out, you can trigger a recheck below. So basically you need to share and retweet. So let's click first on share. You can see that from now on you will need to use these two things. So we are going to post that and we are going to retweet this. So we are retweeting that. So basically we did both things, and now we can click on check status. You can see your account has been successfully activated. So after you do those two things, you now can log out if you want, but you are already inside the project to start earning points. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, please just take 5 seconds to click the like button. That will help me a lot. I know that many of you are watching my videos regularly, so I will ask you just to click the like button from now on, so you really help me that way. So your support is super appreciated, and if it's your first time, please click the subscribe button and the bell to get the notifications of my videos. Now that you are logging in, you can see, besides seeing the stats, you can see the mentions. If you have some mentions here, so this is 10,000 points. You can see when was created. You can see the claims, so we can't claim anything yet, and you can see the revenue here. So now that we have done this, you can go anywhere and put a tweet about this. So I just post anything here just in order to get one interaction with the protocol. Now you can go to this account, see my tweet for example, and you can comment using the same tipcoin ETH and tip, and you will get more traction. And after some times I'm going to see my new tweet here, and of course if you have more views and impressions, you will have multipliers. You can have 5 daily tweets and you can have 50 daily replies. So that is the maximum that you can get every day. It's super easy to do. You can see now I have the second tweet that I posted. So that is basically how it works. You can create easily to an account, connecting your Twitter account and start earning those points. So what are the warnings for this project from my side? So there are many warnings. First, I didn't find any information about the project in terms of team, light paper or official documentation, tokenomics, roadmap or product design. So basically the only thing that you have are the Twitter account, which has only 5 days. And I went into the first tweet and it's all the information regarding what they have right now, which is this mechanism system, which is cool in terms of the idea, but you really don't have anything else on the website talking about official documentation, roadmap or anything else. You only have the specific information for the interaction and knowing how you earn points. Basically those points are expected to be tokens, and those tokens expect to be a value, because if not, why are you doing this? But there's literally no information around that I couldn't find to get any clarity on those aspects. Also in their legal section they cover themselves saying that their token doesn't have any monetary value. So if you go to the website, you can see down here legal stuff, and you can see that they say the token associated has no monetary value and that it's given for free to any users using our product. This is not an investment. There has been no pre-sales or any price attributed to the token. It can be obtained for free as an airdrop. The only purpose assigned to the token is giving users fun valuable tips on social platforms for their content creation. According to what they say, they are not expecting to have any value of the token. This could be just a legal way to protect themselves and not be considered a security like the SEC is doing right now, or many other aspects that maybe they just put all this information to cover their own asses. But because of the lack of information around the project, this is not so good right now, guys. It's different if you have more information that you are knowing that they do this just to cover themselves. But right now, according to this, they don't expect to have any value on their tokens. So why will be doing this if that is the case? Another thing is I cannot check any contract because Sims is not deployed yet. So you can see here on the official Twitter, on the description, our contract is not live. We will post here days before trading is enabled. So they say that you are going to be able to be trading the token. So that is a little odd, because I really don't have information about that in order to check if it is a scam or how the contract works. So this could be easy spam or a scam or anything like that. So do your own research. But at this moment you are not losing too much if you start doing it. The project followed this account, First Swap, so that is something that I was checking. You can see they have almost 100 followers, but they are following only one account. That account has 3,800 followers. You can see they have Tipcoin Ethereum here. So this is of course related to the project. You can see some answers and information regarding the project, but again, this account is new and they didn't answer any of the questions that I sent. I would say that this is the only official person or channel that you can find giving updates besides the official project and the website. So there's not much to do here, guys, neither. The other thing is that they don't have a Telegram, but they have a logo on the website. But if you go to the website, this Telegram link is going to send you to Twitter. So I am expecting that they are going to create a Telegram, but for now I don't know why they have the logo if they really don't have the Telegram. So expect a Telegram, maybe there you can ask questions or have more information about all this. But yeah, basically all those are my warnings. This is very unclear on how these projects work. You may wonder why I'm covering this. Well, if all works fine and they launch the token and this is a legitimate project that will help social media creators or many others to get tips for their content, like engage more people into content creation, that could be a very interesting project. Already exists a couple of projects like that, but that doesn't mean that shouldn't be more competition on that niche. So if they end up being a solid project, then you are already earning tokens from the start, because you can start earning the points right now and get tokens before anyone else, before many people is aware of the project. So that could be a big advantage if everything goes smooth with this project. If they are a scam, I have to say, I think they did a great idea with this, because it's creating a lot of hype in Twitter. I saw all the different tweets with the tip on every response that I see around Twitter. So they are really creating a lot of hype, and they almost have 100 followers in 5 days, which is impressive. So I have to say the idea was great. I hope this ends up being a real and serious project. But in any case, I just wanted to cover it for you. This is a way to maybe get free money. We don't know yet. And of course, it will be nice to know the tokenomics of this project as soon as quickly, so we can speculate a little bit more about the possible price of those tokens. And remember that I have my subscriptions on my website, where you can get access to my private Discord, where we have a lot of important information about airdrops that I cannot cover on my social media stuff, BRC20 and many more ecosystems, crypto in general, portfolio strategies and much more. But we are really focused on airdrops here. So if you really want to make a difference, go to my private Discord. It's really cheap to subscribe. And honestly, I will be putting that free, but we will get thousands of people there and the value is going to be less worth it. That is why I only want to have a maximum amount of people, and then I will close my Discord. So you still have chances to join, but as the Discord grows, I will stop including people in my subscription. So join me now so you can get there and get your seat on my Discord. And if you really want to make a difference on your portfolio, then you have my application for register and follow airdrops. Get there to the subscribe now, get my Discord and my app for one subscription. Here to have 2 videos on how my app works. So it's going to benefit you a lot to have all this. But that is all for this coverage of Tipcoin, guys. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And of course, if you are not following me in Twitter, go into Twitter at CryptoCState. It's appearing right now, CryptoCState. Follow me there, and if I put some Tipcoin, please comment there with your Tipcoin so we can increase the chances on this airdrop. That will be all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.